Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches teaching software and earning online the right way since 1995, 27 years. Now, do I have all the answers? No, I've made mistakes. I've chased those shiny objects before. I've wasted money on advertising because I really didn't understand the concept of earning online the right way. So let me share something with you, which is very valuable. If you're serious about scaling, earning, and making money online, then rule number one, stop selling and start engaging with quality content. How can this be done? Well, I'm a lazy guy. I'm 63 years old. I didn't touch my first computer until I was 28 years old back in 1987. I owned a jazz club. The jazz club went out of business 17 months later, and I thought to myself, what am I going to do with my life? A friend of mine said, get yourself a Mac and teach yourself desktop publishing, and basically that's where the story begins. So let me share with you a simple concept of how you can earn online without selling, without owning any products, without posting any products, basically riding the coattails of the four most successful online companies. Like I said, I'm a lazy guy. I'm 63 years old. I don't like to reinvent the wheel. So if you click the link in the description or on the top left, right, drop-down menu, you're able to watch a step-by-step video series completely free. This is normally $79. You can get it 100% free, no strings attached, simply by clicking the link and going to my videos. Now, if you don't have time to watch videos, you can click the link, contact me on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to spend 12, 15 minutes or so on a Facebook audio call to share with you my techniques of working smart online. No obligation. I don't need your email. In fact, I have a complete no spam policy. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Now, again, let me go into some basic understanding of how you can earn online without owning products, without posting products, etc., etc. So here's what you have to keep in mind. The number one search engine, especially since the advent of what's been happening in the world in the past couple of years, is no longer Google. It's now YouTube. YouTube used to be number two. YouTube is now number one for search engine. So in my video series that you can click and watch for free, again, normally $79, today it's free for you. I will take you step by step how you could basically ride the coattails of Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, and WordPress. Okay? Now, here's how it works. I have many of my students. I have over 60,000 students that I've curated since 1995 worldwide. Now, obviously, most of my students are in English-speaking countries like United States and Canada, et cetera, because respectfully, I don't speak any other language but English, a little bit of Spanish, anyway. So here's what I want you to think about. I have many students that earn a very good commission off of a $400 cappuccino machine that they got from Amazon. Now, how do they do this? Well, I'll tell you what they don't do. They don't post the products. Now, again, affiliate marketing is great. You can be an affiliate for anyone, but I highly suggest you start with Amazon because everybody shops on Amazon. So if you want to make money, let's think about this for a second. If you want to make money selling a $350, $400 gourmet espresso cappuccino maker, how are you going to do this? Are you going to post the product on your social media and get banned? Or rather, if you want to get traffic to engage people to buy that item on Amazon or Walmart or Best Buy, whoever you're an affiliate for, then post a coffee recipe, a cappuccino recipe. Where do you get these recipes? They're on YouTube. So I have software tools. You simply put in your keyword and it will automatically curate the content from YouTube. Then you share that on your social media. Therefore, when somebody wants to watch that engaging cappuccino or coffee recipe, where does it take them? Even though it came from YouTube, it doesn't take them to YouTube. It takes them back to your website, and that's working smart. Now, again, I go through this in great detail on my step-by-step tutorial, okay? So once they're on your niche website, so let's say you have a website called, I don't know, Martha's Coffee Tea Snack Store. I basically include everything you need to succeed. Again, my training is free. So when somebody wants to watch that engaging video from your coffee tea snack store that you basically build in WordPress. Above the video, you can have a link to go to Amazon to buy coffee. At the bottom of the video, you can have a link to go to Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart. It doesn't matter. To your Shopify store, you can have a link to go to your Shopify store or any of your e-commerce stores. Okay? So the objective here is you don't sell, you engage people with quality content. Here's another example. I have many students that make a great commission off of a $3,500, $4,500 commercial NordicTrack treadmill. Again, how do they do this? Well, here's what they don't do. They don't post the product on social media. That's not going to work. It's not going to scale. Rather, they post a fitness video, how to use the treadmill. That you're a consumer just like I am. If you're in the market for a treadmill, would you respond better to an ad that said treadmill today, 30% off, 40%, or would you respond better to an ad that said the 5 best treadmill reviews for 2022? That's the answer. Where do you get these reviews? Everything you need is on YouTube. You're curating the content. You're sharing that video to your WordPress page. You're then sharing it on social media, so when somebody wants to watch an engaging video, it takes them back to your website. So here's the objective in a nutshell. Get the people from Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram over to your website with curated videos that you found using keywords on YouTube. That's step 1. Step 2, by whatever means necessary, either with a banner ad or a link or a review. Reviews are great, by the way. Get their butt over to Amazon or Walmart or any affiliate program. That's working smart. Now, here's another thing you have to consider. In addition to earning online by not selling and not owning products, you also have to establish trust. You're not going to do that if you have a Shopify store and you're constantly sell. What separates you from everybody else out there that's trying to sell? So you have to establish trust, and the way you do this is curated videos from YouTube. Some of these makeup videos, fitness videos, pet videos, some of these videos are getting 30, 40 million views. You don't think that's going to be engaging to put that on your social media and then link that back to your website? That, my friends, is working smart. Again, I share with you how to do this one step at a time. Click the link, go to my free step-by-step training course. I'm here to help you every step of the way. And for whatever reason, if you want to reach out to me on Facebook, I'll include a link in the description as well. I'm an open book. I love what I do. I have 6 exciting grandchildren. I've been with the same great gal for 30 years. She's not the mother of the grandchildren, but she's been my life partner for the past 30 years. I live across from Central Park. My neighbors are Al Pacino, Goldie Hawn. Life is great. I want to share with you how your life can be great too. Now, again, full disclosure, I make no guarantees of anything. You can hear the snake oil salesman, shooting in front of a Lamborghini or their mansion, how to make $50,000 the next 30 days. Hey, why don't we work on making your $50 in the first week? Why don't we solve that issue first? Now, again, full disclosure, I have students that make $200 a week. I have students that make 6 figures a month. I have students that make $50,000 a year. Now, to be fair, these students that are making 6 figures a month, they've been with me for 3 and 4 years. Nothing happens overnight. But this is about the O word, opportunity. Now, here's something I want to share with you, full disclosure. I had one of my students in Adelaide, Australia last summer, completely rip me a new one. I like to encourage my students to do better and increase their income. Now, this particular student averages about $2,000 a month, and guess what? She's happy. So when I try to basically send her videos to encourage her to do better, Robert, get off my back. I like your program, it works, but I'm happy. I make my $2,000 a month. That taught me a very valuable lesson, that everybody has a comfort zone. So my students that's making $200 a week, which is $800 a month, I wouldn't be happy with that. Perhaps you wouldn't be happy with that. But if you are happy with that, who am I to get in the way of your happiness? So what I've come to learn after being in the online trenches for 27 years is that everybody has a comfort zone. I have students that are happy making $2,000 a month. I have students that are happy making a couple $100 a week because it's all found money. They didn't have to dig ditches for it. My average student works 2 to 3 hours a week. Even my students that are doing 6 figures a month, they're putting in 2 to 3 hours a week, and that's it. This is not a time-intensive opportunity, but it comes down to not reinventing the wheel and riding the coattails of YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, and WordPress. So I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So click the link in the description, reach out to me on Facebook if you want to set up a call. I promise I don't bite. Now, the reason I say audio call on Facebook, again, full disclosure, I don't want your cell phone number. I don't need your cell phone number. I don't want your email address. I don't need your email address. I have a complete no spam policy. I am very different than any guru, mastermind, expert, mentor that you've ever seen online. That's not what I do. I feel if your product is good enough, people will come back and do business with you. There's no reason for me to send you a free ebook. What, so I can spam you for the rest of your life? That's not what I'm about. I am sincerely here to help you. Whether we do business or not, I'm an open book. So if you feel more comfortable talking to me on a Facebook audio call, click the link in the description, reach out to me, text me, we'll set up a call, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. I have a sincere heart, but I can assure you absolutely 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So again, thank you for being here. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me on Facebook and watch my free video tutorial series. Again, totally free at checkout. It's got a $79 price tag on it, but if you basically follow the link to final checkout, you'll see it's absolutely free. Again, thank you for being here very much. My name is Robert Farrell. Carpe Diem 2022. Let's make this your best earning year ever. And that starts by you being proactive and watching my videos. Have a good day.